Hi, everybody. Happy Monday and welcome back to another edition of Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. First and foremost, a big shout out to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Check us out on LATOKEN.com along with on VCTV here in just a few minutes to break all of this down with investors from around the world. But let's go ahead and get on to the rundown of what's happening today. But first off, what's happening this week? Coinbase will be listing publicly on Wednesday, April 14th. Keep watch of this day because as this company comes out to market, we believe that it will begin to show what the industry has in store for it for the near future. There's a lot of excitement and a lot of energy built up around this public listing. So let's get excited and let's see where the week goes. Next up, Galaxy Digital has become the latest company to file with the SEC for a Bitcoin ETF. Now, remember, we've talked about Fidelity, we've talked about Goldman Sachs, and we've talked about a few others over the past few weeks that have been filing for a Bitcoin ETF. And now Galaxy Digital follows in those tracks. The Galaxy Digital Bitcoin ETF names the NYSE ARCA as the intended exchange venue as well. So they've yet to name a custodian, administrator, or transfer agent, but that's probably going to come here in the coming weeks as this all takes shape. Nonetheless, it's a big announcement. Another big announcement, MicroStrategies and Michael Saylor continue to buy Bitcoin, continue to support the entire industry, and has taken one step further as today they have announced, the entire company that has announced that its compensation agreement has been amended with non-employee directors to get paid in Bitcoin. What this means, going forward, non-employee directors will receive all fees for their service on the company's board in Bitcoin instead of cash. The fees will be denominated in USD before getting converted into Bitcoin and then deposited into a director's wallet. A huge, huge move for a public company. Their now board of directors no longer will be compensated, if they don't want to be, in cash, but now in digital currencies. Again, a bigger move as we see the adoption of digital currencies continuing to sway. Binance has launched tokenized stock trading, partnering with Mlb Nft AG, a German-based investment fund, and Switzerland's Digital Asset AG. Binance has introduced zero-commission tradable stock tokens. Each new coin will represent one share of equity stock and will be fully backed by a depository portfolio of underlying securities. Users, however, can buy fractional versions of those tokens with a minimum trade size being 1/100th of a token. And this is all going to begin with Tesla. Tesla will be the first stock token on the new exchange by Binance. A recent study by IDC Spain has found that businesses are using the blockchain more than ever in the country. The report also states that 1 in 4 companies within Spain have exposure to blockchain technologies. 11% of the business sector is actively using blockchain, a significant growth compared to only 1% about a year and a half ago. So about mid-2019, only 1% of companies within Spain were utilizing the blockchain. Fast forward to today, 11%. Wyoming has enabled crypto for sports betting. A new law passed in Wyoming allows gamblers to use cryptocurrency to fund their accounts. This law now makes Wyoming the second state in the United States to allow online betting for sports and gambling with cryptocurrency. The governor of Wyoming, Mark Gordon, has signed the new bill, House Bill 133, for those keeping track at home, at the beginning of the week today, with regulators anticipating it to take effect in the beginning of September. So this fall, you'll be able to gamble on sports online with cryptocurrency in the state of Wyoming. And lastly, Topps trading card today has announced it will release its 2021 flagship baseball card collection as NFTs for the first time. In partnership with MLB, Major League Baseball, and Major League Baseball's Players Inc., the for-profit commercial arm of the MLB Players Association. The Topps MLB NFT series will go live, pardon me, on April 20th on the Wax blockchain. Very excited to see where that goes. Guys, this is just Monday. We've got an exciting week ahead of us. Look forward to much, much more. We'll be back here tomorrow to run through everything that's happening in blockchain and crypto on that day. I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott. Make sure to follow me on Twitter for news like today and much more as I break down the industry as well. And also check us out on LATOKEN.com and VCTV here in just a few minutes. We bring investors together to break all of this down and so much more. Everyone will have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon.